Hi everyone, my name is Zach Childers. I'm a software engineer. My entry this year is an LED display matrix, and here's how it works in a nutshell. The display is made up of 144 LEDs. It's arranged in 24 columns and 6 rows. The columns carry a positive current, while the rows allow for a path to ground. This is the back side. The positive leads of each LED in a column are soldered together. The negative lead is bent 90 degrees and soldered to the next light, forming a row. This mesh took about 5 hours to build and debug. The display uses a technique called multiplexing. This turns one light on at a time, but it switches the light faster than the human eye can detect. This saves on wiring, reducing both the labor and cost involved in the process. The columns are controlled by 3 integrated circuits called shift registers. They're basically counters, and they tell which column to turn on at which time. Each one controls 8 columns of lights, which is why there's 3 of them. This IC is a decade counter. It is hooked up through 6 transistors to the rows, and what it does is it switches between each row, allowing any current going through it to go to ground. What this does when you have a current coming from the column is it turns one light on. This chip is responsible for the multiplexing. And of course, all the code for this display runs on an Arduino. The data that makes up each letter or symbol is far too big to fit on the Arduino itself, so it's actually sent over a serial connection from the laptop. It can display any word, phrase, or symbol in this way. So the next step is to modify the existing code so it can do more exciting things other than just scroll a word. And then I also want to create a custom circuit board that will package everything together neatly. This should hopefully help with some of the problems I've been having, like certain lights going out. Thanks for watching, and have a great Fusion Awards.